Okay, boys and girls, I am back. Place value work with bundling. Okay, we did a video the other day on the bundling game. So we've been working with place value up to the millions place. Trying to understand when you multiply by 10, you move to the left one place. And when you divide by 10, you move one place to the right. So here's some review questions that we started out with. So let's try to do some of these together so you get the understanding. Because you can actually bundle when you have more than just one digit. Right here we have just one digit, the 2,000. So 10 times 2,000. So our digit is 2. So that goes into the thousands place. And I'm multiplying it by 10. So now I have two 10,000s or 20,000s. So that is the unit form. For that number. And the standard form, I just put in the rest of my placeholders. So it's 20,000. Okay, and the place value chart, if you need to use a chart, draw a chart. Very helpful. Okay, so let's look at 4 millions divided by 10. So when I divide by 10, I shift one place to the right. So now it becomes 400,000. So that's my unit form. And for standard form, you just plug in your placeholders. That's why this chart is a wonderful tool. So it's 400,000. So that's bundling, working with our place value. And like I said, use the charts. The charts are very helpful. Okay, so that's pretty simple. What if there's more than one digit? We did some of that work today in class, so let's review. So if there's more than one digit, let's start with the first one. 5 10s, 3 1s. So if I use my chart, 5 10s and 3 1s, it's 53. And I'm multiplying it by 10. So the first example, if you multiply, the digit moves to the left. So if you have two digits, they both move one place to the left. So the 5 becomes 5 hundreds, and the 3 1s becomes 3 10s. So I have 50 10s because 5 times 10 is 50, and I have 30 1s because 3 times 10 is 30. And if I look at my chart, I also have 53 10s. So it's a little more advanced, but if you have that chart, you can really see it. So 50 10s, 30 1s. That's my unit form. And my standard form, I need a placeholder here. It's 530. Okay, no sweat. All right, now what if, okay, you have a larger number and the digits are not connected? So here I have 6 10,000s. So I'll find my 10,000s place, which is right here. And 4 hundreds. Well, here's my hundreds. So I'm going to multiply by 10. So the digits shift one place. Now, what happens here to these extra spaces, this space here? Well, there's a placeholder. Okay? So I can write 60 10,000s. Here's my 60 10,000s. and my 400s became 4,000s. So that's 4,000s. And if I look at my number here, or my digits, that's 604 thousands. So I could combine these and write that 604 thousands. Pretty cool. Now, like I said, if you don't see this advanced way to look at it, you can also leave it like this. But if you look at your digits here, 604,000. So you go to the last place, 604,000. And that happens to be my number in standard form. And I just add the placeholders. So it's 604,000. It's really neat once you get the hang, once you understand how the chart works, using the chart and how the place values move. So now I have 300,000s, 5 tens, divided by 10. So I'm dividing this time. Okay, so 300,000s, that's here. And 5 tens, oh, that's way over here. Okay. And now I divide by 10. So all my digits shift to the right. So I have 3 10,000s. And 5 ones. And I just fill in my placeholders. So that is 30,005. 30,005. Okay, so that's 2 digits. All right, now, what if there were 3 digits? Would the rules apply? Of course they will, right? The rules aren't going to change. So we have 8,000s, 400s, 6 tens times 10. So I'm going to plug in my values here. And I'm multiplying by 10, so everything moves one place to the left. So I have 8 10,000s, 4,000s, 600s. That's a lot to write here. So let's look at this again. The digits happen to be all on the same row. So what uniform could I write for this? Well, I have 846 hundreds. That would work. Because I have 8 10,000s, 4,000, 600s. Put all together, that's 846 hundreds. And in standard form, that's 84,600. So you can see the 846 in my number right here. All right. So division. Say I'm going to divide. So that's 7 10,000s, 500s, 3 tens. So all the digits shift to the right. Of course, that's right. So we have 7,000s, 5 tens, 3 ones. And I need my placeholder here. So I could write 7,000s, 5 tens, and 3 ones, but since the digits are all connected, I could just write 7,053 ones. And that happens to be my number in standard form, 7,053. Okay, so you should get the hang of this. You can try the last one as a challenge. So anyone who does the challenge, well, you'll find out tomorrow. If you do the challenge, bring it in, show your work, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, boys and girls, good luck tonight. And like I said, look out for more videos to come. Bye.